Hello everyone, and welcome to this lesson on road construction planning. Building a road is far more complex than simply laying asphalt on the ground. It requires a systematic step-by-step planning process that begins long before any machinery arrives on site. Let's walk through each stage carefully. Step 1 is the survey. Before any design begins, engineers conduct a thorough survey of the proposed route. This involves studying the land topography, testing the soil quality, and analyzing existing traffic patterns. Survey data reveals critical information about elevation changes, soft ground areas, and drainage needs that will influence every subsequent decision. Step 2 is alignment selection. Based on the survey data, engineers determine the best road path. Alignment selection means choosing a route that minimizes earthwork, avoids environmentally sensitive areas, provides safe grades and curves, and best serves the communities it connects. A poor alignment choice can lead to costly corrections later. Step 3 is design. This stage involves defining the geometric design of the road, including its width, the design of curves and bends, gradient or slope, and the cross-sectional shape. Design standards vary depending on whether the road is a highway, urban street, or rural track. Step 4 covers pavement layers. A road pavement is not a single layer, it is a carefully engineered multi-layer system. From bottom to top, these layers are the subgrade, which is the natural or prepared soil foundation, the base, which provides strength and distributes loads, and the top layer, which is the wearing surface that vehicles actually travel on. Each layer must meet specific material and compaction standards. Step 5 is the drainage plan. Water is one of the greatest enemies of road infrastructure. A good drainage plan includes designing drains along the roadsides and installing culverts to channel water safely beneath the road. Without proper drainage, water saturates the pavement layers, leading to potholes, settlement, and premature failure. Step 6 is cost estimation. Every project needs a realistic budget. Engineers prepare detailed cost estimates covering materials, labor, equipment, land acquisition, and contingencies. Accurate estimation ensures that the project stays financially viable from start to finish. Step 7 is the construction plan. This involves preparing a detailed work schedule, defining which activities happen in what sequence, how long each will take, and what resources are needed. A well-organized construction plan prevents delays and keeps the project on track. Step 8 is the safety plan. Road construction sites are hazardous environments. A safety plan includes placing warning signs, traffic cones, barriers, and ensuring workers wear appropriate protective equipment. Safety planning protects both construction workers and the traveling public. Step 9 is quality control. Throughout construction, engineers conduct soil tests and material tests to verify that everything being used meets the specified standards. Quality control is the final safeguard, ensuring a durable and reliable road. To summarize the entire process in 5 words: survey, design, estimate, construction, and maintenance, these 5 phases capture the complete life cycle of a road project from first idea to long-term operation. Thank you for watching. Road construction is a science, an art, and a public service all in one.